What's the meaning of anoint? Anoint. 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 Anoint.
The term anoint means to rub or smear oil or some other substance onto a person or thing for the purpose of sanctification or consecration. In religious contexts, anointing is often performed during rituals or ceremonies as a symbol of blessing, healing, or divine appointment. The result of anointing can vary depending on the specific ritual or belief system involved, but it is generally believed to confer a sense of spiritual significance, protection, or power to the person or object being anointed.